the founder of Sleepbox. And so we have a problem in our life. There is not enough privacy, not enough rest, not enough nap. And this is the situation, common situation in the airport. And we address that issue. And also there is other aspect of that problem because when you want to rest, if you don't pay hundreds of dollars and you try to stay low on the budget, you never know what you get. And the experience is unpredictable. So what we came up with, the idea is to create a modular hotel room. And it is a turnkey solution that allows to create hotel everywhere in this room, and to do it quickly, to do it cost efficiently, and to provide excellent service and predictable service to customers whenever they need it in airports, in hospitals, in convention centers, in centers of cities, and so that's the basic idea. And that led to several market opportunities that we found out. And that's how the unit looks inside. I couldn't bring it today with me. It weighs 2,000 something. But you can check it out at Mass Challenge Space. We have a demo unit in Boston at Mass Challenge Space, which is kind of nearby. So we have lots of nice features there inside, and the idea is to skip the detailed explanation of features. The idea is that we created this really small, compact space, in which we can control the experience much better than you can control it anywhere, even in your bedroom. So the temperature, the sounds, the smells, white noise, colors, massage matters and stuff like that, that all come together and create a really cool experience that helps to rest. Also, on top of that, there is a tech layer of app, property management system. So the idea is, as I said, to create a turnkey solution. So it's not only a physical unit, it's also all that software that will allow you to start, run, and operate hotel easily. So we expect to have a first flagship hotel open this year in Chicago O'Hare Airport, and from there we'll expand and hopefully have a couple of more even hotels open even this year. So the biggest opportunities are airports and city hotels. And we're very open to ideas from real estate owners, developers, operators, and so on. And other idea is offices, and Sleepbox is a benefit wellness perk. It would be cool to have one somewhere around here. So that's also something we can do. That's our great team. Yeah, we won Airport Shark Tank and Mass Challenge, which is a great experience, and some other stuff. This is, by the way, the photo of the first hotel, which was a couple of years ago in Europe. So so that's the idea we came up with, and yeah.
It's like a two-part question, which is, what is your thought about what the average stay would be? I mean, I assume you do buy it down.
So the question is about the length of average stay. So it depends on the location. So in airports we know that it will be somewhere between 2 and 4 hours. In city hotels it's 1 to 2 nights.
And obviously the units have to be cleaned and housed.
Yeah, so again, it is a hotel. For example, in Chicago Airport, where we will have 25 units, there will be staff. So there will be the difference is that because of high tech layer, we can start them really efficiently. It's not 4 staff people per one guest. It's the opposite. It's 1 per 4. But they are cleaned after each use. In office setting, that's a little bit different. They're managed as any meeting room, like once a day they're cleaned, but generally they're just kind of okay through the day. So that's the way.
The social aspect, like Airbnb, where guests are rated.
Yeah. We'll have ratings. We'll have like different awards and like those kind of things. Please.
How many hotels do you need to have a viable business for your location? The minimum number?
Minimum recommended number is 10 units, because from the staffing perspective. As soon as you have 10 units and you have some staff on site, then you can add like units around it, and that's easy to do.
Could you just give a snapshot, talk about it in Boston? I know I saw one in your unit that's at Brooklyn Boulders in Somerville.
Yeah, the Brooklyn Boulders one was our demo unit, and we moved it to Mass Challenge space now. So yeah, we have now one in the US. We've built 55 before in Europe, and they're located in the hotels and a couple of offices. But that was kind of only, like, my background is architecture, and we built it as a spin-off of my architectural practice. And now we thought about that as a turnkey hotel solution, and that's a little bit different business idea. Please.
So give me a sense of pricing. If I ran this fantastic facility for Lumpy Inn and I wanted to buy 6 of your units, what would it cost?
So we offer them for 15K. If that's for non-commercial use, like furniture for office, so you don't charge people, that's 20K, but we have a lease to buy option. If that's for commercial use, like hotel, then it's 15K, and we have like 15% revenue share thing. So that's kind of franchise model, basically. Please. Okay. Please.
How do you deal with local regulations?
It depends. I mean, the regulations are different, and regions are different. But for offices, we are furniture, and for offices we have compact unit, which goes under brand inner space. So it's not like focused on napping. It's more mindfulness, meditation space, and so on. So it's just furniture. For hotel installation, still there are different levels of regulatory barriers depending on number of rooms, but generally it is a hotel. So we are in the hotel category. But in airport, where like if you don't stay overnight, it's not a hotel. So in airport, it's hourly stay. We will go under the radar.
So what's the strategy to prevent a competitor from doing the same thing?
So there are again several things. First, it's kind of hard to copy. It's hardware. It's hard to build. There are not so many manufacturers who are able to do that in good quality. Also, there is that software layer. Also, there are patents and stuff. But the key thing is that the partnerships that we're now developing with airports and key operators and concessionaires, and that first Chicago hotel will have. So that's building a hotel brand. So it's not like winner takes it all game, but it's when you have the brand, you have it all.
Where are they manufactured, and how has the manufacturing experience been?
Yeah, that's a great question. They're manufacturing here in Massachusetts, in Amesbury, and I'm like really like I worked with 10 manufacturers before that in different parts of the world, and I'm so happy we found that partner here because the quality, I sleep much better now. Yeah. So sorry, can you repeat that?
Because it's pretty like hotel, when you have the same tax structure, the hotels have the same tax structure as regular hotels, people pay local city tax, how do you tax?
So the taxing, again, that like regulatory question. So it depends on the number of units and type of use. So if it's not overnight stay, and if it's below like 30 units, that's not a hotel at all. I mean, yeah. Okay, so I'll be glad to answer your questions right after our teachers.